Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, and good morning. I hope you guys are having a blessed morning so far. I am just actually trying to edit a vlog to post up for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and I just wanted to say a blessed morning to you. So basically I don't even know what we're doing right now. I'm currently making some ginger tea. Thank you. And I got my food here. I'm about to fry up some food, leftover food.
My hair's a mess.
Your hair's a mess. And I'm actually currently have another video that I am about to do. You guys can also look out for that video. It'll be coming out shortly. So I am currently cutting up some dumpling. I had made some dumpling the other night, and it is what I'm currently doing. So cutting it too and frying it up. And that's what we're having for some breakfast this morning, with possibly maybe with some corned beef. So that is what we're going to have. I'm not sure what we have planned for the day today, but I have a few videos that I got to get done and out of the way, so I am kind of focusing on getting those done today. That is my goal. So hey guys, me and hubby are just out for a drive. Girls had to get out of the house. I am going crazy up here. So I had to get out to go find something to do, or just go for a drive. Even if for a drive, it's just summer. I'm locked in the house all winter up here, and then summertime come, I'm sitting in the house, yes, because it's hot and the AC, but I just need to get out. I can't be dealing with sitting in the house. So that is what we are currently doing. We are just going for a drive. Now I don't know where we are going, but we are going somewhere. I guess I'll tune back into you guys when we reach wherever I guess the wind takes us. I never thought until I ended up at the mall. Yes guys, we are at the mall going to go walk. Right, hubby? It is hot outside like crazy. And it's cold in here like crazy. This is how people always get sick. Okay, you just come from outside and come inside, and now it's freezing. For the soccer area, come looking at balls as usual. Eh? What? We must know. Yeah, he's looking for soccer balls. Like, he doesn't have enough soccer ball. Oh, that was kind of like the one that we have. That one, babe. The red and black one. Yeah, it's kind of like what we have now. And then there was that one there, that bright orange one on there. Look at these ones. I like these blue ones. They're nice. But these are 5. It ain't cheap. a little late. Time us to just look at this one here. Oh, let me see. This is what he's eating. I'm waiting on mine to come. So I'm waiting on mine to come, and then that is what I'm having. Big Danny, guys, I got mine, and this is what it looks like. Nice. I know. You don't do it easy. You know? You realize that? That's how cheap with it now. Before, the girl would take it and she dips it in. They didn't dip it in. So how was it, Mr. Williams? Is it good? Yeah. Nice cream. Your face, if ever wasn't good, you wouldn't be eating it. This is our, I guess, our favorite place to come to have ice cream. So guys, we have just reached back home. Oh boy. Oh God. Didn't really do too much. But now it's time to relax and enjoy the rest of the day. Take it easy.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick on